What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Sorry to open up on Map taking a dump, but you know, just keeping it fun and fresh. Just on the road from Vegas to Mammoth after a fun few days hanging out with my buddy David, doing some filming, mountain biking, hearing his story, and what a story, huh? Such a good dude. I love that guy. But yeah, we are north of Vegas now off Highway 95. Gonna kind of do the cool little back route over to Mammoth, over 168 through the ancient bristlecone forest, I believe is what it's called. I'll try to throw the drone up at that point and see if we can get some cool shots. But anyways, we are back on the road. Thank you for tuning in, doing what you do, giving us the support, the support, the love, all that good stuff. Mav really appreciates it, as do I. And yeah, so let's get back on the road. Well, crap. Looks like we got a little road construction here out in the middle of nowhere. Let's see how long we end up sitting here. Let's see here. It is 12:55. Let's see what we got. All right, we'll see you when we start moving. Haha, 1 minute. Ew. Alright, we're back and moving. Yeah! Just made it to Lida Summit on Highway 266. We had to pull over. Gotta throw the drone up. I hope it picks this shot up, but it's so cool as you come cresting over and then you just see the Sierras out off to the west, just all snow covered. Anyways, gonna go grab the shot. Hopefully it turns out. If not, it'll be beautiful anyways, because I mean, look where we are. So anyways, see you up in the air. Got the shot. We're home. Welcome back to California. Alright, we finally made it, well, to the turnoff to the ancient bristlecone pine forest. I'm sorry, Matt, I totally just clocked you in the head. Hopefully you can see that. You ready to go in there? I think he is.
Nice setup, brother.
Right back at you, man.
It's pretty narrow up there.
Oh, is it?
Real nice view, though.
Okay, beautiful, man.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You do the same. Who's that? You never know when you're going to run into another sprinter in the middle of nowhere. It's a little tight. Can we do it without four-wheel drive? Probably. Maybe not. Let's engage four-wheel drive. So yeah, back down this. Right. Put this guy in neutral. Should be good to go. I think that's a good spot. What do you think, Mav? Should we get out? I think we should get out and check this spot out. You wanna go outside? Come on, let's go outside. Ooh, that was heavy. Yeah. Where are we? Oh. Oh yeah. And this is why we go off the beaten path. Pissing with a view. Probably a good spot to throw the drone up. So we'll see you in the air. Been a nice afternoon hanging out amongst the ancient bristlecone pine forest. Did I say that right? I'm not sure. But random fact of the day, did you know that some of these trees are 4,000 years old? Anyways, we are gonna get back on the road. I'm sure Mav's super excited for that. And get up to Mammoth. But first we are gonna take in a few more of these majestic views. All right, the sign just said road narrow ahead. Let's see how narrow they were talking. That's no joke, that is one narrow ass road. All right, eyes on the road.